Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Nevada, and today I'll be showing you how to make multiple or bulk certificates fast by applying mail merge. This is very useful if you are printing 20, 50, 100, 200, 300, or more certificate for a specific event. So let's say you already have your template for your certificate. All of the details remain the same, of course, except for the names of the awardees or the attendees. So you will have the text box here to insert all those names. So I'll just choose Arial as the font type and then size around 36. Okay, so what we have right now is the template in Word, and if you want to create the list of names or the database of your names, you can have that one in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's say name uh, is the header or name of the name field, and then you will start typing the name of your awardees or your participants. Let's say So, assuming that I have typed already multiple names for my certificate, so I will save this one now. But before that, I can also rename the table number or the sheet number down here. So let's say I write names of awardees. Okay. So this will be the name of the sheet or the table for this detail. So I will save this one in my desktop and name it as a database of names, for example. Okay, click save, and then I will go back now to my certificate. Now, the three simple steps to do that, okay, so is going to the mailing. So make sure that your cursor in your text box is placed over here, and then you go to mailings and then go to select recipients and click use an existing list. Okay, so you will connect now we will try to connect it now to the Excel file that we had earlier. So I saved that in desktop, and this is the file name database of names, and then it will ask you to select the table. So we will select the table name or the sheet name that we had earlier, which is names of awardees. Click OK, and then all of this will be activated. Step 2, after choosing mailings and select recipients, step 2 will be insert merge field. So when you click this one, it will show all the names of the field that you have in Excel. So what we had earlier is name, so click name, and then this will be produced. It shows that you have successfully connected it to your Excel. So the name of the field in your Excel enclosed by an angle bracket. Okay, the last and third step will be clicking this finish and merge and click edit individual documents, and it will ask you if you want to merge all or you just want to specify, like for example, only the first 50 names that you want to print out of like 500. So now I will only click I will choose all because I only have 5 as an example in this video. So click OK, and then it will produce another file, which in this case letters 1. And when you go down, it will have now the multiple certificates, okay, and then the names being replaced automatically based on the list that you have in Excel. So this will be helpful, especially if you are producing a mass or a bulk certificate for a specific event. So I hope this has helped you, and follow for more tips and tricks. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.